Hi everyone, and thanks for tuning in to my channel today. This is my second giveaway of the week because I missed one last week. These are just a couple of things that I found in my craft room as I've been destashing, and I thought they'd make a nice little giveaway. What with Christmas coming up, there's a Christmas and a birthday card making kit here. This one is the Christmas one, and it's a 5-pack. You make 5 cards, and it has buttons and reindeer and lovely paper and cardstock cards with envelopes. So there's enough to make 5, and there's also a baby themed one here which has got some cute buttons, ribbon, some felt pieces, and you can make these here, and it shows you the cards that you can make. Here it says makes 5, but there's more than 5 cards there, so it just gives you some examples. Oh, I see, they're the baby ones there. Oh, okay, right, so yes, this will make 5 baby cards, and this will make the Christmas cards. So all you have to do is to be a subscriber, leave a comment below, and this will run until Monday midnight, so I will draw it Tuesday morning. So there are 2 giveaways this week, and this is the second one. So good luck everybody, and this is a very quick video, but I just wanted to make up for last week. So hope you're all well, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.